Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the Cute Nerds. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the GAN X corner problem and how you can fix it. So this problem has happened to me multiple times in competitions. It's pretty much where the actual corner pops off from the part that's holding it inside the cube. So other corners will hold it like that. That's what it's supposed to look like. But yeah, some corners will pop off like this, and it's only happened to me on the GAN X. Now this has happened to me multiple times in competitions and has actually completely messed up my solves. It's basically like a pop, but just with the corner. So I'll roll the clips now of how many times I've lost it.
3.
All right, we are on to 3x3, round 2, group 2. This is
Robinson 1.
Julian Mitchell, Daxton Brumfield.
So I spent a long time trying to figure out how to fix it, and I came up with one solution. So pretty much what you want to do is take off this edge right here, like that, and then pull out the piece, and then you can put the edge back in. Like that. Okay, so now you have the corner and I don't even know what to call that, the thing, okay? So pretty much what you want to do is you want to push in on these little tab thingies right here, just 2 of them, and you want to try and pop off the outer colors, the outer plastic. And once you do that, then I'll show you what to do next, but I'm going to pause the video and all. Okay, so once you've gotten it all off, it should look like this, with this plastic part on the outside off and with this part accessible. So if you look closely, you can see that there's this centered little triangle thing, and it has these 3 little tabs on each of them. So just those things on each side. So pretty much what happens is you can push it in. Here, I can slide this in and show you. So that's in there, and you push those in, and it pretty much like clips it in. So you hear that click, and all I'm doing is I'm pushing them in like that. So now it should be holding the piece together. But pretty much what happens is, I don't even know how it happens, these come apart, and a lot of them have broken. This has happened to multiple corners on my cube. It's really annoying. But basically the best way to fix it is to push those in, and then grab another corner, and make sure that like there's the same amount of distance right there, so that you don't have a corner that's sticking out when you put it back in. And then you literally need to grab super glue and super glue it back together. That is the only way that you can fix this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So I'm taking off the super glue, if I even can. Jeez. Wow. I'm gonna see if super glue will even come out. So you just need to push it down and just put like a couple drops, and make sure that it's got a good secure connection. There we go. So literally, this is literally the only thing that you can do. And anyway, once you have all that super glued like that, and it looks like it has a secure connection with each other, you just want to leave it like that and wait for it to dry. Alright, once it's dry, you want to come back and take this and literally just plop it back on. So you want to, it doesn't matter which side you put it on, like that, and it just make sure everything's clipped in. And then from there, you just want to take it, slip it in, make sure that it looks nice. So pretty much this has happened to almost every single one of my corners, and I've had to use super glue to put it back together. One of them I messed up and I accidentally put it in too far. You can tell it's this one because it has like a little bit of a separation, and if you look closely, it's like higher than the others. So yeah, this corner is messed up. But yeah, it's a super annoying problem, and I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I don't really care about the like, I just need subscribers. Okay, cool, bye.